Mr.
Okay, you can send that. Mamelodi Sundowns 7. Siwelele 4.
Yeah.
Betway Premiership, this is the top football. Uthini baba? Igama ubani baba?
Yeah, ke captain.
Captain.
Yeah.
Uring that.
Yeah, ke right. Ke thabile gagolo.
Utshabele ka win.
Yeah. And the Pirates ka jeno ya lose.
Ya lose.
Yeah.
Ito jiwa ke magesi.
Yeah.
Wayitseba magesi.
Yeah, it's
Wamtseba police.
yeah, moita police.
Yeah.
Lo sore ke di krem. Yeah.
So, when hore score ke 7-4. Isho hore ke 3-0 awuna taba.
Yeah.
Plus Pirates ikora hona ke.
Yeah, he lose today.
It don't lose today.
Yeah.
Awuna bhakaniya mo. Okay, ndatekelebo. Yeah. Okay, ndona yaka uring. Libitso ke mang?
Amogelang Mnguni.
Amogelang Mnguni.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, uring the game.
Today's game was perfect, sweet, nothing. It was what I expected because I told my aunt that we should score 6 goals. We scored 7. That was fantastic. But conceding wasn't nice, but it's fine.
Yes.
And people talking about Ndamani. Do better. If you could do better, you could be pro right now. But you're talking that Ndamani has mistakes. You're not perfect. Matthews, he has improved. I loved him from his last game. He's come back. So blaming Ndamani is useless. He's a national team player. He plays for Bafana Bafana.
Yeah.
Where were you?
What's your analysis on Ndamani? His performance. What can you say?
He will learn. He will fix his mistakes. But overall, he's my boy. I love him.
Yes. You support him.
Yes.
Kabuye Sandawa.